For the first lordship granted interim section. State, probably as per the office report, the state is still not being represented.
Notice is served.
Yes, it is indicated in the office report.
So you are pressing for Swati Katoj.
Only Swati Katoj. And the only allegations are 354C.
And we have released her on interim bail.
Yes, please.
Pending notice.
Pending.
Awaited.
But then this standing counsel has been served for the state.
So the office endorsement indicates that the service of notice is awaited, yet the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner submitted that advance copy of this petition has already been served to the learned standing counsel appearing for the state of Himachal Pradesh. Good point. Do you have our order?
It's in the office report. That's right.
By our order dated
30th of September.
Our order dated 30th September 2024 reads thus. Quoted, having heard the learned counsel appearing for the petitioner and having regard to the fact that we thought fit to release the petitioner, namely Swati Katoj, to grant protection from arrest pending this petition, we make our interim order of protection absolute. You will have to subject to furnishing bail bond
in the event
to the satisfaction of the trial court.
That can only be, my lords, when the trial court takes cognizance.
But then you will have to appear before the IO. Once you will have to appear and furnish bail.
It has been done otherwise. At page 94, if your lordship sees the status report, it has been done.
Furnishing personal bond of the like amount to the satisfaction of the investigating officer. So you appear for recording of formal statement, furnish the bond, and then you can furnish bail before the court.
Okay.
Now, if there's really, what can I argue in this matter? Your lordships have already dismissed all the matters, cancelled the bail application, revived all the individual proceedings that are pending in various courts.
What do we do, Mr.
Yes, Mullahs, I appreciate it. Can I make a suggestion? If only if it's commenced your lordship, Mullahs. Can I make a suggestion? Mullahs, in this application, apart from the other properties
The
which
time period to surrender has expired.
no, today it expires.
Now, see, we could have easily told you that this MA
Yes,
in
yes,
the form of a
I know that. Therefore, Mother, I'm making it.
You have some concrete proposals,
Yes.
we can still consider.
That's all, Mother. That's
We
why.
want to see the color of money.
That's correct. That's correct. Mother, my request to your lordships is, number one, this is the properties that are attached by ED. They value it as 277 crores. I just make a suggestion.
Just listen to us.
Yeah, sorry.
The problem is all these properties which have been attached by ED, the title are in dispute. It's not free of all encumbrances. The problem is that
Only one property, I believe, Mother, this only title.
so which is that property which is free of all encumbrances, no problem in title, etc.
no other claims.
Mothers, in fact, I am told, Mothers, that there is only one property which is in dispute. But apart from that, we have given 3 properties here in this application, page 6, Mothers, which together value more than 500,000.
Okay, you are talking about Naina Towers.
Yes,
You are talking about HEERA Foodex.
yes,
You are talking about
yes,
HEERA Retail.
yes, yes.
But what is the status of this property?
But I am told that it is unencumbered. I'm told. But leave
but
leave
it is
that
Simple
aside.
is appearing.
under attachment.
Let me, yes, it's under attack. Leave that aside. No. My
No, sir.
request to your lordship
Yes,
is,
sir.
whatever, please appoint a receiver for all these
देखो तो,
properties.
But see,
log out हो जाएगा.
appointing a receiver is going to be a problem. When you put this property to auction,
Yes.
there are going to be objections from the other side who have some interest. The lady has created interest in all this property.
Well, that's not, if your lordships want, I can clarify that. But apart from that, let's leave this aside. Well, you give me, I will bring 50 crores in cash, Mullahs, with an undertaking to this court within 6 weeks. Within 6 weeks, I'll bring 50 crores.
We are talking
And
about
attach all these properties.
540.
Yes, so attach all these properties. In the meantime, I will.
No, please don't attach.
Just a minute. Naina Towers, HEERA Foodex, HEERA Retail are not under attachment.
No,
They are under attachment. Millards.
no.
They are in possession of your client.
Yes.
No,
And
Millards, that's a wrong
properties have
statement.
not been sold so far.
That's why I agree, Mullahs, entirely. That's why I'm coming to your lordships, Mullahs.
Just a minute. Mr. Venkatesh,
Millards, I appear for the
And there
department.
is no
what is
dispute.
the status of these
Millards,
three
my
properties?
instructions are they are under attachment. Millards, all the three properties are under attachment.
Okay, if they are under attachment,
Millards,
are they free of all encumbrances? Any
Millards, I'll take
third
instructions, but
party rights are created on this property?
Millards, most of our properties are suffering with third party encumbrances.
Okay, Mr. Venkatesh,
Millards,
can you inquire
Yes.
I will inquire, Millards.
day after tomorrow?
Yes.
Millards, could I get 2 more days?
But then the lady has to surrender today.
Millards, she
Lord, may I respectfully submit that your lordship should not entertain this application. This is a gross abuse of the process of
Okay,
court.
just
This
listen to us.
application is not maintainable under Supreme Court rules.
Understood,
Judgment.
Mr. Dave. If you are getting money, then also.
See the prayers, my lord. The prayer is to restore appeals and to restore the interim order.
Mr. Dave, it would not have taken 2 seconds for us to tell this to Mr. Sibal and close
Yes,
this
Lord.
matter.
I understand that, my lord.
Are you interested to get some money or not?
Lord, we are not claiming money. Our property she is selling to somebody.
Okay, so
We are seriously concerned about these
you are
proceedings.
appearing, just a minute. You are appearing for those people to whom she has transferred some rights.
No,
Created
no.
rights.
Whose land she wants to sell to somebody else.
Correct. What about the 3 properties which have been mentioned in the application? Are
Three
you
properties
concerned
we are
with
not
this?
concerned with, but Lord, in the garb of these kind of applications, she has been for last 2 years, trying to get our properties attached. ED has in fact attached our property. We are
Okay,
not
that's-
running from pillar to post at her instance.
If ED wants to attach your property, it is for you to take initiate appropriate proceedings.
My Lord is right.
We just want to know from Mr. Venkatesh, who is appearing for ED, whether these 3 properties have any charge of any nature, any third party rights are created, and if there is no charge and the possession is with ED under attachment, will ask the ED whether they can sell this property by putting it to auction or not.
Nobody will.
I'll take instructions, Milord, and I'll get back in a day, Milord. But as far as the encumbrances are concerned, Milord, it might be difficult because there has to be a due diligence carried out with respect to the property. That will be very difficult for the department to do. And Milord, look at the checkered history of.
Correct. But Naina Towers market value is about 90 crores.
90 crores.
This HEERA Foodex is
120.
120,
And the other one is
HEERA
78.
is 678. If these properties are put to auction, then perhaps substantial amount can be recovered.
I'll file an affidavit to them.
You can take instructions, Mr. Venkatesh.
Milord, I'll seek
Get
instructions.
back to us. If there is no problem, we'll look into, otherwise we will reject this petition.
Yes, that's
Right,
right.
Milord.
Right?
Right, Milord.
Let it be done.
These just try to ascertain, itna likhiye. We have heard Mr. Sybil, the learned senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner. Mr. Venkatesh, the learned counsel, appearing for the Enforcement Directorate. And Mr. Dushyant Dave, the learned senior counsel, appearing for Mr. Dave?
For interveners, my lord, who have been permitted.
Interveners. Good point. This is a miscellaneous application filed by the petitioner in a matter which is already disposed of. A preliminary objection was raised by Mr. Dave as regards the maintainability of this miscellaneous application. Good point. Mr. Dave may be right in contending that this miscellaneous application is as good as a review application, which is otherwise not maintainable in law. Good point. However, we take notice of the fact that the petitioner has come forward with a proposal. The proposal is to the effect that she has 3 properties.
It is not
The description of which can be found in para 4 of the miscellaneous application. It reads thus. ये para 4 में जो Naina Towers, HEERA Foodex,
the other 277.
inquired with Mr. Sybil whether these 3 properties, the reference of which is in para 4 of the application, free of all encumbrances. In other words, whether the petitioner is the lawful owner of these 3 properties as on today. Good point. Mr. Sybil would submit that he would have to take instructions in this regard. Good point. In such circumstances referred to above, we requested Mr. Venkatesh, the learned counsel appearing for the Enforcement Directorate, to undertake an inquiry as regards the status of the 3 properties. Good point. Mr. Venkatesh submitted that it would take some time to inquire and file an appropriate report as regards the 3 properties. Good point. For the present, post this matter on 11th of November 2024, with a view to enable Mr. Venkatesh to seek appropriate instructions in the matter. Next, good point. We had granted 2 weeks' time to the petitioner to surrender. The period expires today. For the limited purpose as aforesaid, we extend the time period to surrender up to 12th of November 2024.
I'll also file an affidavit, Mother, so that it's made clear.
So, Mr. Venkatesh, you will take instructions threefold.
Yes, please.
First, you will have to ascertain whether these properties have whether the lady has created any charge over it or not. Third thing, as ED, whether you have attached these properties or not.
We have attached.
And third thing is whether it is possible for you to put these properties to auction. We may permit you to put it to auction. You may not wait till the completion of the trial. We can record the consent of the lady and we'll grant you permission.
May I just seek one more indulgence?
If this amount, if you are able to fetch this amount, probably then it's a different thing. Otherwise, we will reject it.
Correct.
May I seek one more indulgence?
May I say one more thing? Mr. Venkatesh, just a minute. Lord, she must say that these properties are unencumbered. She's
Said so that I'll file an affidavit.
We also direct the petitioner to file appropriate affidavit declaring the status of the 3 properties and whether they are free of all encumbrances or not.
And whether she is the owner.
No, that sale deed I have. That we can demonstrate. That's not an outcome.
It's very.
Only may I have one other request, Malas. Of the 97 properties, Malas, many of them are unencumbered. Can they also tell your lordships that?
No, 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 no.
Since
Lord, we have not seen the list.
you have referred to these three properties.
Yes, I have, but Malas,
We'll see
all right.
if.
We can file an affidavit with the others also, Malas. I will
But
do
she has
that.
taken this court for a, she's taken this court for a ride for 2.5 years.
But we make it clear, Mr.
Yes, yes, I understand. Malas, I understand.
If it is not feasible.
So
Yes,
much
sir.
indulgence
Then, I
this
go
court has shown.
put
To
these
somebody who has
properties
duped
to
people
auction,
of
recover
thousands
the
of
money,
I
crores.
understand.
Our order is.
It's quite clear, Malas, we know exactly.
So Lordship will
May I
have to
seek one
take a
indulgence,
harsh
Lord?
decision, Lord.
Yes,
Dupe
Venkatesh.
people of thousands of crores, innocent people.
Yes, yes. That's why she is going back to jail, Mr. Dave.
But she won't. I can assure
1,000
your
is
Lordship,
500.
she'll come back with application.
Let's see, let's
But
explore
there is
the
one
possibility.
correction, Lord, if I can suggest in the order. Your Lordships may say my objection that this application is not maintainable and
Correct.
the only
That's
remedy is
exactly
review.
it.
No, no, only remedy is review.
At the threshold, we have said
No, no,
this.
no. Your Lordship said something, but only remedy is review. This application for modification is not maintainable. That's
Mr.
what is my
Dave,
submission.
Mr. Dave, review is otherwise also not maintainable in view of specific bar. This is, we are exercising our jurisdiction, criminal jurisdiction. So you need not say this. It is otherwise also not maintainable.
Declare.
Yes, you wanted to say.
Yes,
so.
my lord.
It was a writ petition, that's why, my lord, perhaps she could file it, that's why I thought. But anyway, this protects me, my lord. Grateful.
My lord, what I was saying was, my lord, since the properties pertain to the state of Telangana,
Uh-huh.
ED as a department alone might not be sufficient to make a statement or to find out whether there is any third party attachment. The state is also a party, my lord. The similar direction may be also given to the state. I will do my endeavor at the best of
You mean
my
state
ability.
of Telangana?
Yes, my lord. These are properties based in Hyderabad.
We direct the state of Telangana also to undertake an inquiry and file a report as regards the status of the three properties referred to above. In other words, whether the petitioner is the lawful owner of the three properties and whether any charge or other encumbrances have been created over these three properties.
Fair enough, fair enough.
Good point.
Lawful owner and in possession. And in possession. She's not in possession.
Deeply obliged, Malas.
How can she be in possession of a tower, Mr. Dave? He must have.
Correct. That's why she can't sell, my lord. If she has given tower to 100 people.
Right.
Grateful.
Yes.
Lordship, may I submit the physical appearance in this? I missed the.
Yes. What is this? Who appears in three?
Lordship, I am appearing for the petitioner.
Malas, I am from the state. Malas, the respondent number 2 has not been served.
But I see that one Dhruv Sharma says that he is for respondent number 2.